Welcome to the deep dive. Today we are trying to solve what feels like a bit of a holiday puzzle, really. It's the 2025 Sephora Premium Advent Calendar. We're going to try and get into the marketing, the scarcity claims,
Yeah.
and figure out for you if this is actually a smart buy or maybe just, well, some clever holiday marketing. We've looked at a lot on this one because, honestly, the gap between what you think you're getting and what's inside seems pretty big.
Yeah.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Right. So let's start with just the basic numbers. Yeah. It costs $129 US, but Sephora's claiming, get this, a $334 value. And you get 24 boxes. They say 16 of those are full-size products. I mean, on paper, that looks amazing, like 2/3 off, basically.
It sounds fantastic, absolutely.
Yeah.
But here's the immediate catch, right? The thing that's kind of hidden away. Despite that premium name, and yeah, $129 isn't cheap, is U.S. calendar. It's only Sephora Collection products. That's it. Just their house brand. No Drunk Elephant, no Fenty Beauty, none of those big names you might expect.
Yeah.
So anything. I mean, why? Why $129 if it's just their own stuff? Are they just, like, marking up their own brand, or is it just disappointing?
Well, what's really interesting is the research kind of suggests neither. Beauty editors who actually tried the products, they said they're genuinely usable. You know, mascara that doesn't clump, lip shades you can actually wear every day, bath stuff that smells, well, decent. So the quality seems okay. Solid mid-tier stuff. It looks like the strategy isn't about luxury. It's more like a deep discount to get people hooked on their own brand. Like, stock up on 16 full-size basics, maybe you'll keep buying them.
Right, okay, so it's basically a marketing funnel dressed up like a Christmas calendar.
Yeah.
But hang on, this gets even more confusing when you look internationally, doesn't it? Like the UK version.
Oh, absolutely. That's a whole different story. The UK calendar, it costs way more, like around $225, but you get 41 products in there, 24 full sizes.
Yeah.
And crucially, from lots of different brands, big ones like Merit Beauty, Glow Recipe. So Sephora is clearly playing different games in different markets.
Okay, so it makes sense then. If you're maybe new to makeup or you just need a lot of everyday stuff, the US one could actually be a great deal for stocking up. But if you were hoping for, like, a taste of luxury, trying out different fancy brands, you're going to be seriously disappointed with the U.S. one.
Precisely. It hits the mark for someone who just needs volume and utility from a known, decent brand. I mean, if you bought those 16 full-size Sephora Collection items separately, this calendar is cheaper, so the monetary value is there for that specific shopper.
The whole experience, that sounds like a total letdown, which is, like, half the fun of an advent calendar, right? People reviewing it were really unhappy. It doesn't have the little doors you open each day. Apparently, it just comes in a metal tin with all the little boxes just loose inside.
Yeah, and worse. Some reviewers said boxes were already ripped open when they got it, which just ruins the whole point, the surprise, the ritual. And that disappointing experience, it ties into the whole sales strategy, really. These things often sell out super fast online, yeah. But industry folks, they often call that manufactured scarcity. It creates panic buying.
Okay, so bottom line for someone listening, what's the verdict?
Well, if you genuinely need a bunch of reliable basics from Sephora's own brand, and you really don't care about the unboxing experience, then yeah, $129 is probably a good price for the volume. But if you wanted variety or luxury brands or that fun daily reveal, this is absolutely not it. Skip it. It really makes you think, though, doesn't it? How much is that experience worth? You know, the nice packaging, the little doors, the holiday magic. How much does that affect what we think a product is worth, even when, like here, the actual dollar value of the contents might genuinely be there? Retailers definitely know that feeling is worth charging extra for.